Dear all, good morning. Today I want to explain how to make a perfect coffee. A perfect Italiano espresso caffè. Yes, of course, you need a good coffee and you need a good coffee machine like this one. And of course you need a perfect process. Perfect process you can obtain using the tool that I suggest to print with your 3D printer and using my STL file. So let's start. For first we take the filter and we take the dispenser. This is a special dispenser that I showed you also some years ago, and you can open and close, and when you open the powder goes down in the perfect quantity. This 9 grams of coffee. So like this, open, some heat and close. Okay, and here you have the powder. Then you have the press tool, and this is done with a magnet inside, so you can put the press tool, for example, here
or here, or here,
or here, and you see there is a magnet inside this, so you will never lose it. Okay, and go, press. Then of course you are almost ready. You go here and close. Go. Oh, very good coffee. If you want to make it a little bit better, I suggest you something that not for kids. Just one second. We call this anice. You can put just some drops. Pay attention because it is a very high alcohol, but perfect. Good. When you finish, you can take out this, and you can use this as a bin. The powder here, you can put here, and it is clean. And then go back. As you can see, if some drops of coffee goes down, no problem, because it goes inside the bin. When it is full, just remove the dust. So, enjoy my tools, enjoy your coffee. See you, bye. Dimenticavo, mettetemi tanti like. Dimenticavo, mettetemi tanti like. Also in English, please put a lot of like. Thank you.